In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank account in Zoho Books. Managing your finances efficiently is crucial for any business, and reconciling your bank statements is a key part of this process. By the end of our session today, you'll be well equipped to handle bank reconciliations with ease, ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. The first step involves accessing the reconciliation tool within Zoho Books. To do this, simply navigate to the banking module. You'll find this on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books interface. Once you're there, you'll need to select the specific bank or credit card account that you want to reconcile. Look towards the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option to reconcile account. This will lead you directly to the reconciliation view. Once you've accessed the reconciliation view, it's time to initiate the process. Begin by clicking on the Initiate Reconciliation button. Here, you'll need to carefully enter the start date and end date for the reconciliation period. Ideally, these dates should align with the period covered in your bank statement. Also, you'll need to input the corresponding closing balance as shown on your statement. When you have all that information ready, click on Start Reconciliation. This step sets the stage for matching your transactions. Moving on to the heart of the reconciliation process, Zoho Books will now display transactions that match and those that remain unmatched for the selected period. Your goal here is to ensure transactions appearing on both your bank statement and within your accounting system are accurately matched. Utilize the interface provided to align these transactions. If you notice discrepancies like unrecorded bank fees, do not worry. It's simple to rectify. Just click on the plus Add Transaction option found below the transaction list and add any missing entries accordingly. Now let's talk about balancing your reconciliation. The ultimate aim is to have the difference between your cleared amount and the closing balance reduced to zero. If these figures don't match, don't fret. You can make adjustments by clicking the edit icon next to the closing balance. To substantiate your reconciliation, you might want to attach supporting documents. This step is optional but can be highly beneficial for maintaining robust records. Use the attachment tool to add PDF statements or receipts as needed. Finally, it's important to wrap up your reconciliation. If everything balances out and you're satisfied with the reconciliation, click Reconcile to finalize and complete the process. However, if you find that you need more time to gather additional information or address outstanding issues, choose the Save and Reconcile Later option. This gives you the flexibility to pause and revisit your work when you're ready. And there you have it. By following this process, reconciling your bank in Zoho Books becomes a straightforward task. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master this essential aspect of financial management. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!